In this lecture, I will show you how you can modify the size of the document. Suppose added few things. Now you wanted to add more items in the bottom. Then how you can do it? Okay. Just press Ctrl Alt C or Command Alt C. Then you will see a pop-up. If you want to increase the document size from the top position, then click here and then write down suppose 1500. Do you see that the top space have increased? So this way you can increase the size. Again I am pressing Ctrl Alt C. This time I am increasing the bottom size, so I am clicking here and then 2000 pixel. Do you see that the bottom space is increasing? In the same way you can increase left size or right size or anywhere. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.